Hi everyone, so today I will just let you know how you can create a LinkedIn banner very easily. Nowadays LinkedIn is a very professional platform, so there you require a banner which is a background banner which specify your field or profession. On basis of that, people are just directly understanding when they are seeing their profile, means your profile. So how you can create that very easily, just I will let you know. First I will go in the Canva. Here we have the Canva app with the canva.com. Inside it, what you need to do, you have to just go over here on the search bar. On the search bar you have to just write LinkedIn banner, LINKED, LinkedIn banner. So here you will get some suggestion. On the suggestion you have to click on the LinkedIn banners. It's depend on your field, like if you are HR, if you have some business, so accordingly you can just select any one of the template. So I will just go with any one of them. So I will click this one. After clicking over there, I have some more suggestion that I can choose any one of them as per my personality and as per my profile. So I will just click over on customize this template. Inside it, I get this Canva. What I need to do, I need to just minimize this Canva to see that how it's looking from when I'm zooming out. And here I can edit the content as per my requirement, just like this. Here I can just write my name. It's Akash Janoria. Okay, here I will write my position. It's a project manager. It's a project manager I have written here. If you have any website, so you can add any website. If you want to give any email ID, so email you can provide here. Other than that, you can just write the contact number. After this, what you need to do, you have to go here and select any one of the template as per your need. Like I will click on the add page, and here I will go again and just check if I need to change any designing after this. So I will just click any one of them. Like here I have one, so I will click here, and as per my need, like here I have written my name. Same I will just write with here and just adjust the font size and all. Okay, so now it's looking good. So that also I can use as per my need, and when I will click on double click, I can adjust the image as per my need, like it will how it's look. So I will just adjust it. Okay, now it's looking good, a profession one. So after making it, how you need to export, I will just let you know. I will just delete this one, and this I will finalize first. And when I will click here on the share, I will get one option for the download. I will click on the download. In the download option, I will suggest you to go with the JPG format, because it is not a PNG. The background should become over here. So for the quality, you can increase or decrease as per your need. Okay, after that you need to download, so click over on the download button. Don't touch for the size and all, and now it's downloaded. So let's see how it's coming. So I will open this file in my photos, and I will just let you know how it's looking. Yeah, now it's looking good. This I can use as my LinkedIn profile. So I will just drag and drop on my profile. I will open the LinkedIn, and you can just use this anywhere in the LinkedIn profile. Thank you, and follow me for the more update.